In this video, we're going to teach you how to add and edit pages on your WordPress website. Once you're on your dashboard, go down to the tab that says Pages, click on Add New, and you can type in your page title. After this, go ahead and scroll down, select what you want for your page setup. We're going to use a full page here, but you could select a setup with a sidebar on the right or the left. Once you have that selected, go back up and publish your page. Publishing it first will keep your URL how it should be with the page name instead of the page number. This will help a lot with your SEO too. After you have this, go ahead and click Edit with Elementor. You'll go through to Elementor, which is a drag and drop page editor. It's super user friendly. You just click what you want, drag it over, drop it in there, and you're good to go. For this, we're going to go ahead and put in the page title first. Type that in, and then we're going to come over and drop over an intersection. Intersections are really neat because once you drop them in there, you can drop multiple things in side by side rather than just having them stacked. So you can put an image in like this. Put an image of yourself and then put in a little blurb. Type in whatever you want. We're just going to go ahead and use lorem ipsum so that we can take up some space here with the text. Once this is in here, you can see that the text is a lot shorter than the image is. So what we're going to do is go over and change the structure. This will make the image and the text about the same. And we're just going to add in a little bit of space on top of the text. That way it's more balanced out. It works better here. Go ahead and duplicate it down, drag it over, play around with it, edit the layout here. This is really up to your personal preference and the content that you have for the page, but you can play around with the settings and change it around and see what works for you here. After we put in a little bit more content, we're going to put in an image slider. We're just going to scroll down and drop it underneath the second section that we have here. We're going to go ahead and add those images in. We can select as many or as few images as we want, but for an image slider you typically want a few more so that you have variety in there. We can change them around, change the order. Once they're in there, you can see how there's a lot of space between those, so we're going to bring those closer together. We're going to go in and play around with the settings. Settings are going to be up to your personal preference. They are very user friendly though, so feel free to play around with them however you want, see what works, change it around. We're going to go ahead and put these for 4 in a row instead of 3 in a row. Once you have that all, go ahead, click update, and scroll down, check out your page. See how you feel about it, see if you want to change anything, and there you go. You have a new page on your website.